Hi friends, how are you? Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of numismatics with a focus on the Malaysian currency to explore the 10 sen coin from the year 2010 and 20 sen coin from the year 2014 and 50 sen coin from the year 2016 issued by the Bank Negara Malaysia. These coins are not only a piece of currency, but also a small work of art and a reflection of Malaysia's rich cultural heritage. Let's explore its details, historical context, and significance. Each of these coins carries a unique tale and design that reflects Malaysia's rich cultural heritage and economic history. The Malaysian 10 sen 2010, 20 sen 2014, and 50 sen 2016 coins each tell a unique story through their designs and historical contexts. These coins not only facilitate everyday transactions, but also serve as symbols of Malaysia's rich cultural tapestry. As we handle these coins in our daily lives, we are reminded of the nation's heritage, unity, and the beauty of its traditions. These coins from Bank Negara Malaysia is a remarkable blend of cultural heritage, artistic expression, and practical utility. Its design celebrates the traditions and natural beauty of Malaysia, while its technical specifications ensure it meets the needs of everyday use. Whether you're a coin collector, a history enthusiast, or simply interested in Malaysian culture, these coins are a fascinating piece worth exploring.
First,
let's begin with the 50 sen coin from 2016. The 50 sen 2016 coin is a significant piece in Malaysia's numismatic history. Also part of the third series, this coin features a design that celebrates Malaysian culture and tradition. On the obverse side, the coin depicts the Daitar Siga, a traditional headgear worn by Malaysian men. The intricate patterns and craftsmanship of the headgear are beautifully rendered, highlighting the importance of traditional attire in Malaysian culture. The denomination 50 sen is inscribed below the design, with Bank Negara Malaysia in the year 2016 encircling it. The reverse side, like the other coins in this series, features the national emblem of Malaysia. The 50 sen coin is made of a nickel brass alloy, similar to the 10 sen coin, giving it a distinctive yellowish color. The 2016 50 sen coin has specific technical features that distinguish it. The coin has a diameter of 24.0 millimeters, providing a larger surface area to showcase its intricate design. It weighs 5.66 grams, giving it a substantial feel while remaining easy to handle. The coin is made of a nickel brass alloy, composed of 79% copper, 20% zinc, and 1% nickel. This composition ensures the coin is durable and resistant to wear, suitable for frequent use in everyday transactions. The edge of the coin is milled with security features that help prevent counterfeiting and allow for easy identification by touch. The 50 sen coin of 2016 represents Malaysia's ongoing commitment to preserving and celebrating its cultural heritage.
second,
The 20 sen 2014 coin, also part of the third series, features another significant Malaysian motif. The obverse side of the coin showcases the Wow Bulan, a traditional Malaysian kite known for its intricate design and cultural significance. The kite is a symbol of Malaysian craftsmanship and the beauty of traditional art forms. The denomination 20 sen is prominently displayed beneath the kite, with the text Bank Negara Malaysia in the year 2014 encircling the design. The reverse side mirrors the design elements of the 10 sen coin, with the national emblem of Malaysia prominently featured. The 20 sen coin is made of a nickel-plated steel, giving it a shiny, silvery appearance. The 2014 20 sen coin has specific technical features that distinguish it. The coin has a diameter of 20.6 millimeters, making it a compact and convenient size for everyday transactions. It weighs 4.18 grams, ensuring it's light enough for easy handling but with a solid feel. The coin is made of a nickel brass alloy, composed of 79% copper, 20% zinc, and 1% nickel. This combination provides durability and resistance to wear and tear, essential for a coin in frequent circulation. The edge of the coin is milled, which helps in preventing counterfeiting and makes it easily distinguishable by touch.
third,
The 10 sen 2010 coin is part of the third series of Malaysian coins, introduced by Bank Negara Malaysia. This series is also known as the Seri Ketiga, or third series. The coin features an intricate design that blends modern elements with traditional Malaysian motifs. On the obverse side, the coin displays the iconic bunga melur, or jasmine flower, symbolizing beauty and elegance. Below the flower, the coin's denomination, 10 sen, is inscribed. Surrounding the design is the text, Bank Negara Malaysia, and the year of issue, 2010. The reverse side of the coin features the national emblem of Malaysia, a pair of crossed Christ daggers beneath a crescent and a 14-point star, symbolizing unity and strength. The coin is made of a nickel brass alloy, giving it a distinct yellowish hue. The coin has a diameter of 19.4 millimeters and weighs 2.82 grams. It is made of cupronickel, a durable alloy of copper and nickel that gives the coin its silver-like appearance. The coin is round with a smooth edge, a design choice that makes it easy to distinguish from other denominations by touch alone. The 10 sen coin of 2010 was introduced as part of an effort to modernize Malaysia's currency. This new series aimed to improve the durability and usability of coins while also incorporating designs that reflect Malaysia's cultural identity. The choice of the jasmine flower highlights the importance of nature and traditional symbols in Malaysian culture. In conclusion, the Malaysian 10 sen 2010, 20 sen 2014, and 50 sen 2016 coins each tell a unique story through their designs and historical contexts. These coins not only facilitate everyday transactions, but also serve as symbols of Malaysia's rich cultural tapestry. As we handle these coins in our daily lives, we are reminded of the nation's heritage, unity, and the beauty of its traditions. These coins from Bank Negara Malaysia is a remarkable blend of cultural heritage, artistic expression, and practical utility. Its design celebrates the traditions and natural beauty of Malaysia, while its technical specifications ensure it meets the needs of everyday use. Whether you're a coin collector, a history enthusiast, or simply interested in Malaysian culture, these coins are a fascinating piece worth exploring. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Malaysian currency. We hope you've enjoyed learning about these fascinating coins and the stories they carry. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of numismatics and cultural history.